Trent's called me up here for a bit of a look. He's just fixed some hoses on this catch can that's been fitted with good intentions, but it was back to front. So that means that it was trying to drain out the top, not the bottom. Well done. And of course it's got one of the Chinese gauze filters. So next time you're hosing down the caravan, leave the fly screen and open so that you can spray the water in and see what happens inside your van. The water goes straight in. It's the same with the fumes. They'll go straight through a mesh. You might be lucky to drain a tiny bit off, but I doubt it. There's the proper one. Multi-windings, quite thick, and it's got to permeate through that material, the steam, to congeal and drain off the bottom. Mesh, like I said with the garden hose, is just going to go straight through it. So wrong filter in it, and catch can was hooked up back to front. Trent's fixed that now. My goodness, what else will the day show us today? You can see more of these videos. Keep watching on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after and setting up your diesel correctly.